Shiba Inu's rise and the anticipation surrounding the Grand Shibarium Universe. Satoshi Kusama, the development lead of Shiba Inu, recently made significant remarks, shedding light on the future of the project. Kusama especially praised the growing interest in the Shibarium community, stating, "The best part. We're really just getting started." The surge of interest around Shiba might be due to news about preparations for a massive event organized by the Shiba Inu community called the Grand Shibarium Space. Comments on Shiba Inu and Shibarium. Key influencers and institutions associated with Shiba Inu will participate in the event scheduled for October 26. The event will foster discussions on potential ventures that could contribute to Shibarium's progress. This significant gathering emphasizes the growing individualism within the Shiba Inu community, the sense of unity, the project's solid foundations, and its ability to influence and maintain a dedicated following comprised of skilled developers. The community-led X-Space event can be interpreted as a step towards the ascent of Shibarium. The grand event, named the Grand Shibarium Universe, will bring together influential and significant members of the Shiba Inu community under one umbrella. Discussions will focus on strategies and precautions that could lead Shibarium to success. While Shiba Inu enthusiasts eagerly await the event, they expect inspiring developments about the future of Shiba Inu. The community's ability to organize such an event showcases the increasing influence of the Shibarium community and their determination to drive the project forward. With every step taken towards autonomy, Shibarium is solidifying its reputation as a project characterized by innovation, creativity, and resilience. Shibarium and the positive momentum. Interest is growing with a surge in cryptocurrencies, and excitement around Shibarium is mounting. Notably, Bad Idea AI, the official partner of Shiba Inu, has taken a significant step. They launched a program specifically designed for projects being built on or planned to be launched on Shibarium. With this innovation, users are encouraged to confidently interact with their social media supporters. Additionally, it enables them to benefit from an AI chatbot to receive reliable answers regarding their projects. All these developments further strengthen the project's evolving structure and appeal. The Shibarium community is at the helm of these advancements.